too close. Hello, so I have a holiday today, and so my brother and I have planned to do something for the whole day, so it's gonna be fun. And I thought it'd be a fun time to vlog because otherwise most of my days would just be at home working. So I'm excited to take you along. We have some really fun things planned. Hopefully we follow through on all of them, but yeah, come along.
Five overhead presses. One.
Like this, sir.
No. Two. Three. Yeah. Turn your wrists. Sweet.
Do you want to tell them that you didn't work out at all today? You did yoga for 20 minutes.
Motivating you for the other 20.
Hello. Now you're making me conscious. Hello, I'm having breakfast now and I just wanted to show you what I'm having because it's made out of roti of the previous day. So in case you have roti at home, it's actually a very easy Gujarati breakfast dish. Doesn't look the most appetizing, but it's actually super tasty. So it's made out of papad. Is there an English term for papad?
Papadam.
That's with papad and roti, and with either just water, or you can also do it with a little bit sour buttermilk. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the papad and this is the roti and the whatever. It's so tasty. Like, don't you think it's super tasty, Pranay? Yeah?
Yeah.
That's all you have to say.
I'll throw food at you next time we do this stuff. Are you still recording?
Dude, yeah.
wasn't that I still am not into skincare as much, but I'm starting to put little effort into buying like very minimal products, but adding some routine, just because I know my skin might need a little more now that I am entering my 20s and started work, so there's a bit of stress and just all of that. So it's just good to have some extra things going into your skin. And so I went to buy a moisturizer, and I bought the Bath and Body Works Sunset Glow. Absolutely love this, but this costed me $699. This is such a small tube, and I kind of didn't realize when I was buying, and I said, okay, it's like, where do you go to buy moisturizer? Bath and Body Works, because I don't buy stuff like this. And then I used it for 3-4 nights in a row, and it's almost done. And I was like, oh my god, I can't afford this lifestyle. And then it also has a very strong fragrance, and I don't need this strong fragrance every single day. It's actually quite overwhelming for me. And so then I went out and bought the OG Nivea body milk. It does the trick. It has almond oil and vitamin E, and this is $3.99 for the whole bottle. And you know it's gonna last me at least a couple of months for sure. And so I'm loving it. Yeah, but basically, lesson learned: spend your money wisely. I haven't bought makeup in over 3-4 years now, and I have this palette from that long ago. It's a Sephora miniature palette. All my vlogs have this palette, but I basically am not going to do a lot. I'm just going to take the shimmery champagne shade, which is Peanut, this one. I'm just going to put it all over my lid. It just makes me happy. We're done. This is it. I forgot to tell you why we're getting ready. So we're going for lunch to this new cafe that's opened up in Chennai. It's just my mom, my brother and I, and which is why I've decided to dress up. It's a very pretty cafe. Now let's show you the outfit. This is a really pretty dress that I newly bought from Chumbak. I guess. You can see it. But this is the dress.
You need to put it here. Only then it will go in. You put it all sides of corners and you will be in, yeah. What is the point of holding your eyelid open if it's not even open? Look, just come here. Open like this. Now even if you blink, you can't blink. You open like this, you're like, what are you pulling? Why are you pulling your eyebrows up then? Wait. Look left. Left, right. Look down. Look up. Wait. Yeah.
Oh my god. Such a foreign invasion.
Right. Look down. Left, right. Right. Up, down. Yeah, straight. Also, can you give us some sugar for this? It's too.
All of today I've just been capturing Pranay eating food. gooder.
Those fries feel good, dude.
Oh, that looks good.
These are actually proper fish food.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm changing into sports clothes because we're now going to golf. So, see you there.
My hands are coming. So when you open your wrist this way, somewhere else. Here, here, there. That's interesting.
Look at this precious little baby. Mm. Hello, I'm back home, and my friends have come home for a sleepover. And I mean, if your girl crew is not giving each other massages, is it even a sleepover, right? Hi. I don't know how much more I'm going to vlog because I'm pretty tired now and it's the end of the night. But if you come up with some fun stuff, you'll see it for sure. I have the motivation to vlog today. So yeah. Hello. So we didn't film anything from last night, but we basically made spaghetti and we just spoke to like 5 a.m. And yeah, that's about it. We're ending the vlog. We put on some nice face masks. We're gonna watch something cute, and that was my day. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and my financial content. I'm gonna expose you, Pranay. But I'll leave the links to my personal finance videos on savings and investing, so make sure you check that out. And if you stay tuned till the end of the video, the highest in us recognizes the highest in all of you, and I'll see you in my next video.